Family can't wait to get out and go.
But before you can enjoy and relax, you have to pack. Family and lifestyle blogger Julie Kieras is here with some unique products to make packing and travel a whole lot easier for the family.
I love this. I love anything that's going to make my travel life easier.
Right. Well, these are going to do that. So first of all, let's start talking about traveling on a plane. And right down in front of us, I have the sit-along travel toddler luggage seat.
Look at this.
So you know, a lot of people take the car seat with them and try to drag that through the airport, but this seat replaces that. You strap it onto the luggage, and your toddler can just sit there and ride along gate to gate.
That is the best.
And it's compact, lightweight. It folds up so it can go right in the overhead compartment. And you know, your toddler can sit there. You know, when the gates are all packed and there's nowhere to sit, you can keep your toddler safe and clean
and contained.
Yeah.
How awesome is that?
It fits 8 months, up to 50 pounds.
Up to 50 pounds. Too bad they don't. Too bad it doesn't fit 197 pounds. Because Kara would be pulling me through the airport on that.
Well, you never want to be that family. You know, we get the little kids, and you're always the one. No one wants to get behind you in security. You got 10,000 things you're carrying. You look a little better there.
Right. And then also talking about car seats and eliminating them from your packing, I have the MyFold grab-and-go booster seat. Oh. Look how small this is. This replaces that big booster seat.
Oh.
It actually folds up, so you could just tuck it in a backpack. And then when you're ready to rent a car or hop in an Uber or a taxi,
that is so clever.
You can just open it up, and it actually brings the seatbelt down to the child versus raising the child up to the seatbelt. It has adjustable sides to fit different children.
That's fantastic.
And it's...
So also when you're traveling, you just have to go, all right, well, there's no booster seat. We're just going to buckle you in.
Well, they say that 20% of car rides, kids are not restrained in car seats properly.
Wow,
if you're in a taxi or something, that's great.
Right, so you have the MyFold for that, and it comes in all fun colors. It can be fit in a backpack.
Terrific.
And it really eliminates a lot of the bulk.
All right.
All right, now this is one of my favorite things, because you know kids go through clothes like crazy when you're on a trip. And when you hit that last clean t-shirt.
Yeah, we like, what do you do?
Right, well, no more washing out in dirty hotel sinks. You have the Scrubba wash bag. This has inside a washboard. You can see the little bumpies here.
Yep.
You put the water and detergent in, you put your clothes in, you roll it up, and then you deflate it and you just scrub it. 30 seconds to 3 minutes.
I can see Tara doing this at her house.
Scrubba wubba.
Scrubba scrubba, right? So you scrub it, you empty the water out, put more water in, and then you're going to leave the air in and just
keep going.
And then you hang it on the inflatable hangers to dry.
It comes with inflatable hangers. It comes with a clothesline and a towel, a microfiber towel, so you can really get that item dry.
It's like traveling with Mr. Clean.
You can set up a whole laundry room in your hotel room.
Exactly, it's fantastic.
Right, so it's perfect for those travel mishaps where kids spill something on the last t-shirt.
Look, I love the suction cups that hold the clothing line on place. That's wonderful.
Because there's never anywhere in your hotel to hang
We're going to hang stuff, right.
So this keeps, and it actually uses less water.
Okay,
That's great. Filling up a whole sink, so that's really great. And then for the kids to entertain them, Snuggly Rascals they're the most comfortable headphones that you can get. They're like a little headband, right?
Oh, that's
They go on with Velcro. They've got flat speakers in the sides.
Oh, right here, I can feel it. Yeah, because you know the earbuds are always so painful for kids.
It hurts their ears and they fall out, right? You put these on, and
oh, that's sweet.
They're volume limited to protect their eardrums.
Do they work for adults? Because I want one.
I kind of can get it to fit me. It's a little small. Oh, he's gonna do it. Yep, there you go.
There you go.
But they come in penguin, owl, monster, unicorn. It looks great.
Can you see me at the gym?
Oh, that's so nice.
It's fantastic.
Yes, and so that keeps kids happy, and they're listening to their music or an audiobook.
Okay.
And then something else to do on the plane or in the car or while you're waiting is the highlights for children. I mean, you know those books and magazines we all grew up with?
From the dentist's office, always.
Yes. Well, now they make these books. They have the write-on wipe-off books, tracing, writing words, writing letters, fun mazes, and then they have the big, fun preschool, kindergarten, first grade workbook.
This is great, being able to write on, because you don't have to bring so many books. You can erase it and they could do it again.
Use it over and over again. Kids can trade the books. And then this is so cute. They have the Hello magazine for babies. Oh. It has tear-resistant washable materials. It's just perfectly little short snippets of stories and poems. Lots of pictures of babies, because babies love to look at pictures of other babies. And it's just a cute little magazine that your baby will connect well with.
We used to get the board with the guy who had the bald head and the magnetic beard. That's what we had to entertain us as kids. You know what I'm talking about?
You gotta
Those
get
days are gone.
These are the best. These books are the best.
All right, you're going to
thanks,
find
guys.
more family-oriented products and parenting tips on Julie's website. It's happystronghome.com.
And we're taking a 2-minute time out.
Yes, but in just a few. A new way to prepare salad, getting your hair ready for summer, and why patients don't have to leave our state to get the medical care you can find in big city hospitals, Kara.
Stay with us.
Join Komen New England for the Greater Hartford More Than Pink Walk, June 9th at Bushnell Park. It'll be a day